Hello. What's going on, guys? What is going on? What is going on? As you can see, this is what I'm looking at. We're looking at Nasdaq. Hold on. Chat, chat. Can you hear me, chat? Can you hear me, chat? Can you hear me? All right. Guess so. So, what am I looking at? As you can see, this is the weekly chart, right? This is the weekly. Yeah, it's a bullish candlestick, and if we analyze this chart cohort, there is a lower and a lower time frame, meaning the price is currently in a consolidation phase in this area. We have no clue where this price might go, but if we go deeper in, we find out, we might know wait and trade it. This was the last high of this price. Then we check here again. This line chart. Oh, this is the price. As you can see, the trend line and the horizontal line here is crossing, right. We might expect the trend from here somewhere and then price to push up a bit. We got nothing to lose. And then push. Okay. So that's my analysis though on the weekly chart. So when we look at this perspective here, when we check this perspective here, so whenever we go on a lower time frame, we have to keep in mind that the picture that we did on the bigger picture. I mean, on the bigger higher time frame. So this means we have to find selling opportunity. Whenever there's a selling opportunity, don't hesitate to enter the market because there's a higher chance this price might come in this area, and then that's when the buyers are, and then push the market up. So if you are looking for price to come here and you decide not to do anything until price come here so you can buy it, bro, that's your choice though. Then you might be right, that's you are also fine. Or if you are waiting for price to break the high here and retest and then so you can go with, then you can go with it, bro. or or maybe here there's a, like, I know for sure there's an area somewhere here. There's an area somewhere if we have, like here, this here, on the low. Let me just go on the daily time frame so I can indicate this clearly. Let me delete this low arrow. If you are looking forward for price to break, I mean not break, but for price to come back to this zone, and then you can buy it, so you can buy it. And yeah, as long as the only important thing here in trading is respecting the risk tolerance. How much you gonna risk for you to, how much you gonna risk. And okay, as I said, if you want to wait for price to come here and then buy, then you are then you are in good hands, bro. Then you are fine. There's only, like, there's the only thing that I can assure you that price, you must, I mean, the only thing that I can advise you is that you have to buy on a lower price, on the support in the area itself. We cannot participate in the middle when price is in the middle, because we have no idea whether price is gonna continue going up or it's gonna reverse again and then come back at the support zone. It might also come and take out the liquidity and then go with the direction. As you can see, this is the liquidity here. Liquidity, because I know, like, some people bought these and there are like some other stop losses that are here for sure. Like, as traders, we trade different, and at the end of the day, it's all about profiting, taking out something from the market. So yeah, since we have the picture of of price coming to this area so it can continue going up, what's our conclusion then? Like, the thing is to look for like selling opportunity, unless price has to break this zone here. Or let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and look it closely and look it nicely, clearly. Eh, this is my 4-hour chart here, as you can see. This is 22 June, right? From there, price has been going down there. So price came at the zone here, respected it, went up. We have to find a reason to sell this market. We have to find why, and why this direction and what. So I'm a trend line here. There's many options here. There's many options here. Price could either go on this trend line and retest and then come down here and continue with the what? Continue with the direction and continue the direction that I show you where it should go. Or if it cannot reach that right direction, it might come and then take some liquidity and then go go with that. Yeah, as long as we are gonna sell high at the higher price day. And we have to make sure that we're taking the right trades with the right confirmation. So this is the first option here. This is the first option here, right? What's my strategy? What's my reversal strategy? What's my reversal strategy? My reversal strategy, I use Hekenachi. I use Hekenachi on a 2 hour. I have to see like red. You see, Hekenachi show you the colors. Whenever there's red colors, that means it's bearish. Whenever there's blue colors, that means it's bullish, right? So what I'm gonna do now is switch to 2 hours and then on the Hekenachi. Like for me here, as you can see, if you look on the right side here screen here on my watch list, I only have gold and Nasdaq. For Nasdaq, I trade Nasdaq to swing it. That's the good way to go for me. Once I trade it, I enter. I might enter two trades. One is for swing, and then the other one, I'll take it out. I'll take it out when I see like maybe there's something wrong here. Price wanna come back or something. That's how I do it. So let's see something here. So this is the 2 hour, right? And then the second thing is to turn on the Hekenachi here. You see how beautiful it is now, how clean the thing is. Whenever like this thing like if I tell you this thing, there's like the probability of losing is very low. The probability of losing from here is low. Like just then whenever there's a like for example here, if the market was going up and then you see a red candle here, let me see you, and then you place a what entry here, entry here of like in trading. The only way to lose is when you maximize your size or like end positions based on your balance. When you like take too much risk, it's about position sizing, position sizing your thing. Don't ever like so you have to let that account breathe. You have to let that account, whenever it take losses, then you know that tomorrow there's still a chance to trade. Another thing is that let me show you another thing. I saw the red. Okay, price was going up right here. There's a what? There's a red here. I saw this. Okay, let me see. There's a chance maybe price will go down. So I'm gonna enter right there and then place my stop loss here. So when price when price goes down, when price goes down, there's a hey, and if price hit our stop loss, I know for sure the next time it's gonna show me a red candle again. I'm gonna enter. You see? Okay, when you are using this strategy, you're not only gonna use it, you're not only gonna enter at the random place or something. You have to enter at the key level, support or trend lines. Like for example, This is the trend line. Price came at the trend line. When you see a red candlestick, this is where you have to enter, right? At least like two Hekinachis or something, and then the next level, your TP should be at the next key level there. Obvious, you see. There's a chance you can win and grow. Especially it's nice when you swing this, but currently the market is like on a consolidation phase. It's in a consolidation phase, so it's yeah, it's not gonna like. So this time is just to look for selling opportunities here. My other confirmation is the stochastic here. Whenever I see this, it's overbought, right? Price is overbought, and then the stochastic is kind of making a double bottom at top. And then all I wanna get is the red candlestick here for me to sell it. Once I get the red candlestick here, I must sell it. I'm going to sell it. I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell it. Yeah, at least with two positions. Damn, bruh. At least with two positions here. At least one is for swing trading. One I'm going to deal at the area where I was talking about earlier, where price has to go. Let me take you back again. Um, one just to come here at these simple areas. One I'm gonna swing trade it here. This is where I want the price to come here. The other one I'm gonna swing it here. The other one I'm gonna hold until this area. I know for sure if price come here, it's gonna reverse again, and then we're gonna continue with the trend, buying trend. But we never know. It's all probabilities here and risk. As I said, we should respect our risk tolerance. The and then risk tolerance, the position sizing. That's the most important thing in trading, because like if you can hold trades for a long time, like, hey bruh, I'm sure for sure, dog, it's not about scalping or something. So this is the daily time frame, right? All I want is that red candle, and then we are good to go, man. There's still 1 hour, and then yet market is about to close now, right? Nasdaq market, guys, we are here to stay, bro. We are gonna trade live and everything. I'm gonna show you. Once I get the red candlestick, once this red, like the Hikinachis and the candlestick are two different things, cause like the price name, when the Hikinachi candlestick closes, the price is like low, while the I mean the candlestick is a bit higher, while on the candlestick you find the price going bit, and that's why the position sizing is playing a big role here. Let me just check something is the kind of thing I wanna see, bro. Okay. Yeah. Mm, yeah, even if the market closes, we'll still continue going. Like we'll stay here until we get what we want. Then yeah. I know for sure. Let me switch and show you. I know for sure. Maybe some prices already rejected this area. If we have to turn in the candlestick, yeah. Let me just minimize my stop loss here. That's my first TP over there. Not gonna make it. No. And if this one doesn't work out, then we have the next level that we're gonna be watching is this trend line here. Once price hit this level here, profit is already locked in. That's the first position that we're gonna be locking in. But for the swing one, yeah, para, tera. Yeah, the 1 hour is too far, eh? Like, man, I could just go to sleep now and then wake up at like 2 o'clock, or yeah, 2 o'clock there, 2 o'clock, and see what's gonna happen, what's going on here. Enjoying my pocket, I'm hiding, looking for karma. This is fucking awesome. Like for gold, ne? Gold for gold, I don't like swinging it. Like for gold, I use it to day trade. Like I close my trade within a day. But for Nasdaq, yeah, I can actually hold it. But for now, it's in a color what consolidation phase. Yeah, I might hold it, but I'm only gonna look for sellers here. I'm only gonna look for selling opportunity and hold it on the area down there, as I saw you earlier. Let me just check this area. Like I will have to put like two positions, one to close here in this area, and then one I'm gonna hold it here. Because one I'm gonna close it here just in case this price might not come in this area. It might come here and then reverse, go and then goes up. Yeah, chat something chat. Just gonna relax and wait for this candlestick to close. And I think it's still early. It's still This scanner is still far too close, bro. 1 hour. So yeah. And yeah, like if you need a broker with us, just check in the description there. There's a good broker with a good bonus. It provides you with 100% trading bonus for every deposit that you're gonna make. It's gonna add you. The broker is gonna add you with one. I mean, with 100% bonus. Yeah, yeah. All right. I need $20 in my pocket. Uh, 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 mm, this is fucking awesome. Rainbow. I'm in this big as gold from the beach up down the road. Girl's clothes I look incredible from that beach down this road. Boom. Billy Jeans. She's just yeah. Okay, let's go. From movie scene. Let's restart that. She was more than she was more like beauty queen from a movie scene. Yeah. She was more than like fuck. She she was more like beauty queen from a movie scene. You mean I am the one for in around. I say I am the one who dance on the floor in around. Billie Jean as she could sing every day. Be careful if you do. Be careful, make young girls hard. Be careful you love. Be the chin. She's not love. She's just a kid who claims I am the one. He's not my son. The kid I am the one. The kid is not my son. Hee hee hee. Remember to always think twice. No, my baby cry. Be careful of what do. Be careful when young girls come. She came into the right by. Billie Jean, she's not my love. She's just a kid who claims I am the one. The kid is not my son. Da, 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 dee, 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 dee. Yo, bruh, the kid is not my son. The market is about to close now, bro. Woo, eh, woo. It's not my son. She's not love. She's just a girl who claims I am the one. The kid is not my son. Billie Jeans is not. She's, oh, she's just a kid who claims I am the one. But the kid is not my son. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Ah, dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Ah. What's going on, bro? Make sure you hit that subscribe button down. Yo, that's my keyboard, ne? Nothing suspicious. Wait, wait. I'll have to actually show the people where my stop loss could be. I'm just gonna leave it straight running like this. Oh! It is very cold here in Namibia. Price to pay. You got a price to pay. You got a price to pay. Mm, you the price to pay. You got a price to pay. Yeah. Damn, what's going on? Is financial. All we gotta what are we what trying to fight for is financial freedom here. We're trying to fight for financial freedom. Hopefully one day, bro, I'ma buy that BMW, 1 year of locking in. That's all it takes, bro. 1 year of locking in. 1 year of locking in. That's all it takes. 1 year of locking in. That's all it takes, dog. You got a price to pay. You got a price to pay. You got a price to pay. You have to take that $10 to $100 and then buy a pro firm, 10K pro firm. Hey, that's a good job there. That's the vision, dog, for every traders. Once you get that 10K, then it's pro, then you are gone, dog. Once you buy that 10K, can I not post my stream? It's a live stream, bro. By next year, this time, I'ma drive that Benz, dog. Let me show you the Benz. Benz. This year, this time, I'm going to drive that Benz for sure. Benz. Locking, it's all it takes, dog. If I have to compare the life, my life, and this life, dog, I came far. Yo, I'm great. I'm great. I taught myself how to trade. Scaling in. Oh, my account, guys. This is my account here. If you wanna follow trading account, right? Gotcha. That. You got a price to pay. I think market is already close, so yeah. I see price is about to go down now. By 10:30, I'm going to enter by 10:30 because I know price is gonna market is gonna close. And then yeah, uh, my order is gonna be there. But I'm only gonna enter with one position because the session is kinda it's the Asian session that we gonna enter. And then open with the London session, I think. Yeah, if yeah. Yeah. Damn, price is going down, dog. Like Higgins is the what? Just one position, right? That's all it takes. So the next position is tomorrow, guys. I'm not gonna put another one. Stop loss is in. Yeah, and if it doesn't goes in our direction, the next entries. This is the entry trend line. It's our next entry trend line, right? And yeah, gonna be happening here. So yeah, this is obvious a key level here. This is a nice key level here. A key level. Once we break that key level, we target here. And the most important thing is to look out whether this candlestick is gonna close with the red Heikin or not. If not, then we have to lock in. We have to either close the trade or lock the profit and then see what's gonna happen. Whether price is gonna hit our entry TP or not. Okay. Tiki 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 tiki. Did I even show you the daily time frame? How the diagram is looking like? Is how the daily time frame is looking like on a candlestick chart. Seems like the bullish momentum is too big here. We only got 2 hours for this price to close. So these days, today's candlestick closes with a bearish momentum, with the bearish indicating the sellers are in. The sellers want to take control and push the market down. So, and yet this price is at a key level. Yeah. And if I have to put this as my, you see, the semi moving average, simple moving average. It's above, bro. Yeah. Hopefully it closes bearish. So yeah, bro. Let's see. Watch the market for me, please. Watch the market for me. This way I'm gonna make money, bro. You need to be there. You need to make money, bro. Oh, me, I'm going to sleep. Just remember, market never sleeps. The market never sleeps. You must watch the market, dog. I know for sure. Maybe I should go sleep and then wake up at 4 just to come check what's going on here. But I might even miss the entry here since it's a 2 hour, 2 hour, 11 2. Yeah. Okay, 11, 12. At 1, I should come back and then come check again. Oh, yeah, 11, 12. At 1, I should come back again. So I'm going to sleep like for 2 hours. Yeah. Yeah, because the candlestick is closing in 2 hours. Bana. Oh, bro. Seems like I'm in losses now. Not too big, just two. We don't have to panic. We really don't have to panic, bro. It's just small numbers. Do you know where my stop loss is? I should take like $20 loss. $20 loss is what I'm risking. I'm risking like $20. Cause this is my balance. As I said, position sizing is the most important thing here. This is my balance here. Yeah. 200. 200 is my balance. Do you see that? Did you see? 200 is my balance. $20 is what I'm gonna risk. And if we have to check the TP on the weekly time frame, it's gonna the TP is gonna be like a Kayang 250. 250 is my TP on the swing trade. But here, as indicated on the screen, that's gonna be only if like here the if I take like two positions, the swing I'm gonna swing one and then the other one I'm gonna take it to where it's indicated on my screen. Yeah, the as indicated on my screen, 40 is $40 is my TP. $40 is my TP. Yeah, it's a living dog. Like here in Namibia, $40 is a lot. $40 is like mm, 40 times, if you times 40 times 17, I think it's 500 and something. The 680. That's a lot, dog. I can buy food, bro. Pay electricity. Yeah, but water bill is too much, dog. Like more than 1K. Damn. Yeah, that's why I have to make sure every week, single week, at least I have to take $20 out of the market, dog. That's the that's the minimum amount I should focus on. $20 in yo. And then at the end of the month, I should probably make like a Kayang 80 or 70, 100. That's the minimum amount I should make. 120 is the minimum amount I should make in a month. Yeah, it's I'm doing it for a living, dog. Trading for a living. By next week, school is about to start. Campus. Varsity life, ne? I hate it, dog. Like now I have to spend on my transport. Go there. Yo. It's not nice, dog. It's not nice. Cause here I was comfortable here when I was sitting and trading. Pay food. Yo. Sometimes when we make profit, we have to start business. So it's capitalizing, maximizing our profits, diversifying our profits. Market needs to close, dog. Take it. Shout out to that one view, dog. You gotta price. You got a price to pay. You got a price. You got a price by MT. Is market cruise. We're back. We're 33 minutes. 1 minute to go. This is Carissa. This is classic forex. You guys remember this classic forex? Cruising lane to lane. You got a price to pay. It's a color candy lane. In a two-seater way lane to lane. You got a price to pay. You got a price to pay. You can Google me, you music. Something I'm a body girl. Feminine to my mama's me. Like, I sick it with Dubai. He's a color poison there. In a two-seater highway, cruising line to lane. There's a price to pay. You got a price to pay. For you to be in that two-seat Rambo, you have to pay a price. Yay. Work hard, dog. Work hard. Work hard and invest, bro. Like that diversify that income, dog. Even if you are doing 9 to 5, any job that is 9 to 5, diversify that profit. It's gonna be a movie when I show up. 2028 may blow up. In a two-seating highway, cruising lane to lane. There is a price to pay. You got a price to pay. It's like 30 minutes now. Now there's only how many minutes are there? 29 minutes. Right, like for once time hits 11 o'clock, then market is already closed. So is there even a reason to wait for us to enter? Cause market is gonna close anyway, unless we have to be here until one day. Cause market is gonna open at one day or two. Yeah, for me, eh, they say market never sleep. To pay. You got a price to pay. There is a price to pay. Yeah. Got my pistol on. Money, I got money on me. I let my mama hold my on the toe. I let my sister hold my on the toe. Crepa passa babalet. Private jets in the jet. Give me the cheese one time. Give me the tree one time. Fuck the beach one time. My way. She lost my way. Only on Saturday. My love for money got me grinding on the night day. My love for money got me streaming on the market close. That's crazy. That money got me working on a Saturday. My love for money got me grinding on a Sunday. Damn. We're selling the bed, guys. This year. Next year, we're selling the bed. There's no sleep. No sleep. No sleep. Start rolling up the chairs. They were gonna see us. I see the hating, that's cause we up. So I'm talking on the geo. This is no remix, this is a live video. One time, CV one time. Like freeway one time. Caesar one time. Only seeing clever. Do it if you think you better. That's why I'm treating. Start rolling up the chain. Yo, guys, do you know when I started trading, dog? It was like 5 years ago, bro. And to be honest, until these days, I never made 20K or 100K. The only highest amount I made 5K, 6K. That's the only amount I made. The highest amount I made in my life. Yo, yeah. But now I've learned a lot, dog, from this market. Blowing accounts wasn't the thing. Risking it all wasn't the thing. The take times and then just grow that account and then go on grow your account. Like this account, I'm planning to grow it to a 1K. Yeah, 1K. It's the aim, bro. Once the code, yeah, maybe buy 100K Profum. I think 100K Profum costs like 99. I mean 900, if I'm not wrong, on a funding pip store. Yo, grab a fuzzer, baba, let's start rolling up the check. Me and me is not the same, bro. The dancing but I'm playing, bro. Talking about the same fella. I'm looking at surrounding head on me being fed up. Gonna win never. Candy in the clever. Damn. Start loading up the jet. Party, papa, pale. First car, first car. Yo, what's my first car, dog? My first car. For me, I think I will have to look into assets like a car that can generate something, just like a young car, bro, like a simple one, not too big. That's how I diversify things there and put it in, you know, simple one that Okay, let me end the stream here. I will have to continue again. See you at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Think so. So.